All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about VVS Finance. VVS stands for very, very simple finance. We're going to go to their website, check out their Twitter account, see what's going on with VVS Finance. Also, we're going to talk a little bit about Splash, get 2% a day. 360% up to 180 days, 2% a day. We're going to kind of cover Splassive a little bit. And then we're also going to cover the gas prices in the U.S. What's going on with the gas prices? Have you put a strategy together yet to help you to combat the super high gas prices? All right. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, everybody, let's head over to very, very simple finance, VVS Finance. All right, over here, CoinMarketCap, ding, ding, ding. VVS Finance is up 11.48%, almost 12%. Ding, ding, ding. Again, VVS is up 11%. Clicking it. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros and a $25.99. We'll do a price prediction when we're done. Up almost 1% today, so good job, VVS. It's actually up in the last 24 hours, which is fantastic. But in the last 7 days, it's really, really up. It was way down here, and it just kept going up, up, up. Some fantastic stuff for VVS Finance. Very, very simple finance. All right, over at the Twitter account today, it says VVS Finance, your gateway to decentralized finance movement. It says Versa Games. We are excited to announce our partnership with VVS Finance, the leading DEX on a Cronus chain, to kickstart our IDO. We're excited for the first gaming platform on Cronus and eager to help top-tier games launch on VVS in the near futures. Versa Games, Cronus, and VVS. So this is some awesome stuff. Versa Games is now launching with VVS Finance. Come on, everybody. There's some good stuff going on here. All right, again, Versa Games headquarters, the next generation in games marketplace, bringing together proven and new concepts to unite the NFT gaming ecosystem and dramatic improvements that experience of every participant in this area. Go ahead and check out this article, the new gem offering, Versa. Versa is launching on VVS. Versa is launching on VVS Launchpad. We're excited to announce Versa Games. Versa is our next initial gem offering to be hosted on the VVS. Read to find out more. And again, even more, after searching far and wide, our chief mining officer has found our next gem, our initial gem offering, our next gem. We are thrilled to announce our partnership with Versa Games to host the IGO of Versa token on the VVS Launchpad happening on April 12th. This is again happening in the future here. This is going to be some big, big news for VVS Finance. Over here at the website, you got your little miners popping up. Take a look at how nice and look at their mining. Very, very simple DeFi trading for all. Your gateway to decentralized finance movement. Take control of your finance and earn sparkly VVS rewards. Learn more about VVS Finance. We aim to make DeFi simple and within reach of billions. Low fees, fast transactions, and competitive earnings. The biggest thing right here is our shiny yield farming opportunities, streams of passive income. We've been like hearing this, passive income to multiple assets, the rarest and brightest yield farms and VVS farms. Clear incentives for all, tokenomics and incentives built for long-term value creation. Our minds will always be bountiful and hardened security and governance, designed with security in mind and community governance at heart. Platform governance will be passed gradually to the community. So we got a lot of good stuff going on with VVS Finance. They tell you to choose your path and join the DeFi movement. I always favor the one to the right here. Become a VVS miner, your passive income. Again, I like the word passive income, and I like mining. Crystallize your VVS token, staking for a fixed amount to receive even more VVS tokens. Stake and forget it's that simple. Right here in the middle, become a liquidity provider. Low minimum. Supply a token pair to receive liquidity provider tokens. Collect transaction fees and farm shiny VVS rewards. And last and surely not least, become a DeFi trader. Swamp instantly, swamp tokens with low fees and slippage. Keep your eyes out for a new pair and new token listings. All right, VVS Finance, a lot of good stuff going on. Token is up, literally. All right. This token is up 12%, so a lot of good stuff going on with VVS Finance. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, what's going on with this Splassive? We've talked about it. You get 2% a day, 360%. People are really liking this project. It could be considered a passive income cryptocurrency project. Let's head on over. All right, over at the new look for Splassive here. It's got a new website. This is the next big passive income printer on Avalanche Network. So let's kind of focus on a couple words here. So Splassive, the next passive income printer. So I like the word passive income printer, which means you can print an Avalanche. This is actually on the Avalanche Network, so there you go. They got your stats. They got 5,800 players. You get a daily return of 2%. The max is basically 100,000 transactions, 36,000 so far. It's got the chart right here. Splassive has been up. It's trading at $45.62 right now. So you gotta like that. You can click right here to buy some Splassive. You can stake some Splassive. Moving over to the well. The well tells you the price is at $45.62. You got Avalanche balance, you got the Splash balance. If you wanted to buy Splash tokens, you can come right here and buy some Splash tokens with my Avalanche. If I wanted to sell them, I could go ahead and sell my Splash tokens. Pretty easy to convert it from Splash to Avalanche. There's one right here. You would just convert it right here. Again, they have the charts, $45 per token right here. Going over to the well. Going over to the tap. So the tap, I got about $1,600 in here. As you can see, 36 deposits. I've claimed about 9 deposits. So I'm printing that money. I've claimed about $418 so far. Got one person on my team. I'm just starting to promote it. So again, if you need a link at the bottom, become a member of the team. You got to have a buddy link. My max payout right here. So look at that. I put 1,600. Well, actually, I put a little less in. The coin jumped. But I got 1,600 in. And my max payout right here is 5,900. So got to like that. Got a little rewards for actually bringing someone in. So you got that too. Manage. You can manage your account right here with your deposits. That's right here. Splassive is the tap is low risk, high reward contract that operates similar to a high yield certificate of deposit by paying out 2% daily. Return on your investment of up to 360% right there. Players can compound and extend their earnings through deposits, hydrating, compounding rewards, as well as the team-based referrals. Check who's splashed. You got team tools, talks about us a little bit. So again, just kind of wanted to show that the printing money they talk about on the website Splassive. All right, everybody, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Every day 2%. So I got $1,600 in there. 2% is $32. So every day there's $32 that's in there. I can claim that $32, or I can hydrate it, compound it, and put it back in and get passive income and compound it for longer. Every dollar you put in, you get 360%. So if I compound it, that little amount that I compound, that also gets 360%. I'm printing $32 a day in passive income for right now. Not too bad. Remember, all our information is for educational purposes only, but I wanted to bring you one of the crypto projects that we're doing, having a good time with. All right, what about those gas prices? They're super, super high. All right, you got the United States here, gasprices.aa.com. Like right here in the middle, Wyoming's at $4.11. New Mexico's $4.15. Alabama's $4. Indiana's $4. And California is at the highest, $5.91. So you can go here, you can figure everything out. You can check out your news, top trends, contact AAA. You go down here, it tells you regular gas across the country is $4.24. But about a year ago, it was $2.86. It's up here, it's got mid-grade, premier, diesel. Diesel right now is at $5.11. A year ago it was at $3. It's up $2, everybody. You can come over here to gas prices. You can pick somewhere. Let's say we picked Delaware, and we want to see what's going on in Delaware. We could pick it. It's got 3 counties. One county is at $4.08. The next county is at $4.08, and the last county is at $4.09. Picking a different state, let's go ahead and pick Pennsylvania. They got a little bit more counties than Delaware, and you can see here as you hover around here, it tells you all the different counties. All right, everybody, gas prices are off the charts right now. How are you going to combat it? Carpooling. You need to basically find one friend at work and carpool with your one friend. You have that friend drive 2 weeks of the month. You drive 2 weeks of the month. You're saving 50% of your gas money. The best strategy is to basically have 3 people in your car, so there's a total of 4. Each one of you drive 1 week out of the 4. You're saving 75% of your gas money for the month. And everybody you work with, you see anyways, you have to do these strategies. Also, ordering groceries from Walmart or different facilities, you may want to order online, have them shipped in because gas is so expensive. Or you may want to shop for 2 weeks of groceries every 2 weeks instead of every week. All right, just some tips on gas prices. I think the cryptocurrency projects, side hustles, task rabbits, you have to do little pick up overtime at work if you can. Pick up overtime at work to help with the gas prices. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. Let's head back over to VVS Finance. Price prediction. All right, back at VVS Finance here. It says VVS token is at the core of the VVS Finance. You got value for stake for the reward, the bread and butter of our miners, stake VVS and earn VVS. Utilities, VVS Union Club, the more you put in, the more you get. In governance, hold and vote, xVVS, Y equals votes. Your voice for the future for VVS. Community, come and join our community. I wanted to show you this just the other day, xVVS. This is another token you can get. You do have to have be a staker. If you're not already, check out our previous Medium article where you explain the mechanics behind the xVVS, frequently asked questions. xVVS is almost here. Our yield-bearing governance token, xVVS, our yield-bearing governance token is almost here. You have to be a staker in order to get this, but if you're staking it, you're going to actually get xVVS. xVVS supercharged. So to celebrate the launch of xVVS, we're excited to announce that the VVS team will contribute an extra 100,000 US dollars USD worth of VVS towards the xVVS staking to boost your yields. To contribute, we will be at the top of our organic platform buybacks to thank our xVVS early adopters. So big news going on here with this xVVS supercharge. All right, over here again at CoinMarketCap, what is our price prediction? Well, there's 4 zeros and a 26. I'm thinking it's going to be 4 zeros and a 29. Again, all the information is for educational purposes only. Keep your eye on this. It's up 12% right now. See how high is it going. I do like seeing that there's all this green around it. VVS Finance is at 232. So again, not a financial planner. We're all just friends here. Do your own homework. All right, VVS Finance. Lots of good news and updates coming on with that. Splassive, get 2% a day. 365% back of your initial investment. Gas prices, you got to do things to combat it. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Click over here to learn about Splassive. Get into the Splassive program. Get 2% a day. Print some money, they say, on Avalanche. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you a little bit later on today.